Hello, my name is Mark Harris and welcome to beautiful San Diego, California, where we're standing on this 15-year-old concrete driveway and we're preparing to give it a new look. We're going to protect it, restore it, and make it look brand new. To rejuvenate this concrete driveway, I have chosen Techniseal's New Look, a semi-transparent tinted sealer. This product is water-based and environmentally friendly. The homeowner has chosen the charcoal color to match the house and the roof. You will see, the results will be spectacular. Before I seal this concrete, I'm going to have to clean it first. This is the most important step before sealing any surface. Would you wax your car before cleaning it first? As you can see, the concrete has become discolored over a long-term wear and tear of the sun, dirt, grease, cars driving on it. Power washing this will not get it ready for sealing. You must use a cleaning agent in order to properly prepare it for the sealing.